Cleaning and replacing the platen. If your printer has the dispenser option, open the door. To remove the platen, release the two bearing retainers and rotate them up. Use the bearing retainers to lift the platen. Remove the bearings and gear from the shaft, noting their locations. Moisten a lint-free wipe with isopropyl alcohol. Clean the platen while turning and moving from end to end. Allow the platen to dry completely before reinstalling. To install the platen, install the bearing on the gear end of the shaft first with the retainer away from the platen. Reinstall the gear. Reinstall the bearing on the other end of the shaft with the retainer away from the platen. While holding the retainers, drop the platen into the slot. Rotate each retainer down until it locks.